Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an Inloveartshop haul and sample video. As you guys know, I work with them and they had sent me out another package of dies. So I'm here to show you guys what the dies look like. I'll have each and every one of them linked down below. So if you guys are interested in them, you can just hit the link and get your die right away. So we're working with about, I think, 9 to 10 dies. And as you can see, I have all the samples here so that you guys can see what the actual dies look like before you purchase them. So the first one that we're going to go through is this one right here, which is kind of like a nested tree set. And let me show you what you get. So you get kind of like a larger tree and then a little tiny tree. And then you get the medium-sized tree. And when you cut them out, this is what they look like. This is so cute to make like handmade cards. Kind of like a scenery look. Look at that. Aren't those cute? Aren't those cute? So that's what the little nested trees look like. We're gonna push those aside. And then we have some words here. We have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. You guys, my hands look so dry. I need some lotion in my life. So we have the two dies here of Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And this is what they look like. I cut Happy New Year on gold. How cute is that? I love the font. And then we have Christmas, Merry Christmas, on this pink. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't get over how dry my hands look. Give me 1 second. I'm going to... Okay, that's the word dies. And then, let's see here. We have... Where's my little letters? So these are smaller than I thought they would be. I do have a set and it ended up being a little bit bigger than this one, so I might use those for a project that I have in mind. But these are perfect for smaller projects. So you get the whole alphabet, and this is the size that they are. I'm not gonna pull them out because I don't want them to go everywhere. But look, you guys, see that? So this one is a bit tight, like a little bit, I can't speak, a tad bit smaller than the ones that I have, which I don't know where they're from. I don't know if I got them from Inloveartshop too, but this time around, this one is smaller. And Lily, you can't speak. This is my favorite, you guys. These are some like holiday mittens. And they're so cute. So these are the dies you get in the set. You get, I think it's 8 of them. Ooh. Let's see. I think it's 8, but they won't all fit in my hands. So you get those with all different designs. You see all those dies? And they're all super cute little mittens. And I have them cut out right here. How cute is this, you guys? Like if you want to send in some Happy Mail, a bunch of different mittens that they can add to their projects. Is that not adorable? I love these. These are my favorite out of the batch so far. So cute. You guys need these. This is a must. And then I got this belt because it kind of like reminded me of Santa's belt, but I haven't figured out how to cut it kind of like a whole belt. If you guys know how to do that, please let me know down below, because this is the cut. You see how thin it is? It's like a thin strip, but I want it filled in. So how do I do that? Because I don't know. So if you guys figure that out, please leave me a comment down below so that I can recut this and get a full belt. But the die itself is so cute. I think this will look so pretty if you make like embellishment books about this size, because the size of this is, okay, let me move these packages out of the way. You guys have a bunch of unboxing videos coming your way. This is about maybe almost 6 inches. Probably like half an inch shy, maybe like 5.5. But it's so cute, you guys. But I just want to figure out how to cut it where I get the full belt. And I just don't know. I couldn't figure it out. I don't know if I'm having a dummy moment, but I can't figure it out. And then we have this cute little tree box, which is super adorable. And it looks like this. So obviously you can tell what it does. It lifts up, lifts up, lifts up, lifts up. And you get something that looks like this. Is that not cute? These are fun to throw into Happy Mail as well. Super adorable. This is another fave. As well as this one. I used whatever paper I had around, but of course, the next time I create them on a card, I'm going to use some craft paper to make his ears and his face. But I wanted to show you, he still looks super adorable. And that is this die set right here. You guys, they will all be linked down below. I don't know why I can't speak today, but they will all be linked down below. And look how cute. On a Christmas card, this will look adorable. I did get a few bag toppers. So I got these two. And they look like this. So you get a larger one and a medium one. And these cut out look like these. Like these. Like this. Look. How cute is this? I love these. I love the little handles. Super cute. So that is these two. And then the other bag topper that I got is this one, which was so interesting when I saw it online. I wanted to definitely pick it up and check it out. And look how cute, you guys. It has the little handle and you put your little clear bag. So pretty. You could decorate it. I would put like a little mitten set. Like, look how cute that is, you guys. Is that not cute? So that is this die. And then, which else do I have left? I have the little snow globe, which you get. Let me show you the pieces that you get in here. You get quite a few pieces, so you could definitely make this a shaker. You get this piece. You get that piece. Your bottom piece, a snowflake, which doesn't cut out a full snowflake. I'm going to show you guys what it cuts out. This is kind of like where you want to put like a little phrase or something. So those are your pieces that you get in your die. And let me show you what they look like cut out. So cut out, I did a pink one. Those are the snowflakes that you get. I'm not going to take them out because they'll get lost. So those are the snowflakes you get so that you can put inside the shaker of the snow globe. So you can do a shaker for, that's the back. That would be the front. And then the bottom would be this way. And then your little label would be right on top. Isn't that adorable, you guys? These are super cute little embellishment ideas. Definitely going to be making some during my Christmas crafting starting next month. I'm so excited. And then the last one, you guys, is this one, which is a little dress box. Super cute. And it looks like this. And these all cut beautifully. I've never had an issue as of yet. Like, as far as issues with them, it's just like when I can't figure something out. But it's not that there's something wrong with the die. It's just that I can't figure it out. But something like that. But other than the cutting, I never have an issue with their dies. And this is what the little dress box looks like. Isn't that cute? You could put little embellishments, little pom-poms or something. So cute. A little Christmas dress. That is adorable. But yeah, you guys, enough rambling. That is my Inloveartshop haul and sample video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope my jibber jabbering didn't bother you guys too much. Apparently I can't speak today, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.